With Oracle Hyperion SmartView for Office, you can use Microsoft Excel to access and work with data in the Oracle Planning and Budgeting Cloud Service, and to perform Excel-based ad hoc analysis using the SmartView plugin for Microsoft Office. Connect to Oracle Planning and Budgeting Cloud Service the same way as you connect to any other data source using the SmartView ribbon in Excel and the URL and login credentials provided by your manager or administrator. Click Panel to open the SmartView Shared Connections panel, and click Shared Connections. Log onto your cloud server using your credentials as you would using a web browser. Once logged in the Select Server drop-down, select Oracle Hyperion Planning Fusion Edition. Select your planning application, then drill down to the form you'll be working with. Select the form and click Open Form. The planning ribbon is displayed when you open a form. You may want to view and analyze your data in a different format than what's displayed in your form. To do this, click Ad Hoc Analysis. A different spreadsheet and the POV or Point of View toolbar are displayed. Also, the Planning Ad Hoc ribbon is displayed. The POV toolbar enables you to select members and move them to and from the grid. Here we will add all of the other sales region entities. Once we've done this, we can use the POV toolbar to switch between sales regions. You can do this with any dimension in your current grid. We can zoom in on any item that has child members, such as total cost of sales and service, by clicking the item and then selecting Zoom In. You can choose the level of detail when you zoom in. Similarly, we can zoom out to get a simplified view of the data. We can choose to keep or remove any item in order to remove distracting elements and focus on the data we want. In this case, we keep only the Sentinel Standard Notebook data. At any time, you can reset the form to the beginning of your ad hoc session by clicking Ad Hoc Analysis again. A dialog box asks if you want to start over. Another way of reorganizing information to make it easier to view and work with is by pivoting a dimension. Let's get a simplified view of unit sales over time by product. To do this, select the Units dimension, click Pivot, select Units again, and keep Only to show only the units. We can then zoom in to get monthly or quarterly totals. We can also adjust the POV to look at sales for different entities. You use a cascade to create a series of worksheets for different members. For example, if we want to compare sales for different regions, we click Cascade, New Workbook, select the entity dimension, then the regions we're interested in. When we click OK, new worksheets are created for each of the other regions we selected. You can use Excel formulas to create on-the-fly calculations to help you in the planning process. For example, if you want to know the total sales for the Sentinel line, select a cell and create an Excel formula to sum both Sentinel models. Once you've done this, you can change POV to get this summary information for other sales entities. You can copy information from your form into a Microsoft Word or PowerPoint document, and when you refresh your form, the document will also update. In Excel, select a cell, such as the total sales number. In the Smart View ribbon, click Copy. In a Word document, click where you want to insert the item from your form, select the Smart View ribbon, and click Paste. You may need to refresh your form to get the data to transfer. By selecting the item you've pasted, you can display all of the information about it. Finally, you can save your work for future use. For more information about planning and budgeting cloud service or other Oracle products, please refer to the web links shown here and available on the EPM Products YouTube channel page.